7 computer skills that can make you fast money. Computer skills are one of the most sought after globally in the 21st century. If you have any of the skills discussed in this video, congratulations. You are in luck. You can make fast money even from the comfort of your home. If you do not have any of these skills, now is a good time to begin learning. Hi, and welcome to Millionaire by 25 YouTube channel. A place to get inspiration and information about wealth, success and making money online. If you are new here, do subscribe so that you can be informed when I put out new amazing videos like this one. Thanks to the computer and the internet, you can now find jobs that don't really require a degree. The entry bar for a lot of these new generation occupations are really low, and that means that just about anyone can get in. So, without further ado, here are my top 7 computer skills of this decade. Number 1. Programming. This, in my opinion, is an occupation for the future. With a lot of tech companies popping out daily, this is a good one to have up your sleeves. Everything is going digital. And everything digital has to be programmed. If you want to learn programming languages, JavaScript and Python are the examples that are the easiest for beginners. The internet is full of programming resources and lessons on various websites like Khan Academy, YouTube, lynda.com and many other platforms. You can learn the programming to a certain extent for free because there is a lot of free content already out there. You can buy certain courses that have more sophisticated teaching methods and exercises. The lessons you buy usually offer help from the instructors, so they are worthy of the investment. Alternatively, you can also hire the services of a programmer for your tutelage. This may turn out to be very expensive. But in my opinion, nothing beats one-on-one classes. As a computer programmer, you can build a solution to the problems of existing companies, build your own company, or work for an already established firm, or develop tools to improve an already existing software. The opportunities are endless for programmers. Number 2. Web development. A web developer creates programs and applications for the World Wide Web. It involves developing a website for the internet or an intranet. It can range from the development of a single-page static website to a complex web-based internet application, social network services, electronic businesses and much more. Web development is an industry that has already been invested heavily into, and I can only see the figures rising in the near future. It is constantly evolving, so you can never really stop learning in this field. But it does put a decent amount of money in your pocket if you know what you are doing. Number 3. Mobile app development. With more and more people using smartphones and digital technology continuing to develop, companies would need to hire more mobile app developers. The future is all about smartphones. This skill is closely related to the previous 2 already mentioned in this video, but it has slowly become a market of its own. There are various mobile platforms like iOS and Android. Each has a specific development requirement and kit suite. However, when you start tapping into the true power of app development and web development for mobile devices, the potentials are limitless and you can make magic into reality. Potential monthly income ranges anywhere from $1,500 to $44,000 depending on the company. Number 4. Digital marketing. It is easier starting businesses today than in the last decade. With so many companies, you can expect that the marketing industry gets larger by the day. And with the phasing out of billboards and posters, digital is the way to go. Just by leveraging the power of social media such as Instagram, Facebook, and others, anyone can promote businesses, products, services and so much more. That's what digital marketing is all about. We all know that ads come in different formats and on different platforms. However, ads on the internet have taken a life of their own. There are many platforms to explore. Obviously, Google is a massive digital marketing platform because it's one of the most powerful companies on the internet. Google owns YouTube and numerous other big websites. There is also Facebook and its own marketing packages, and the case is the same for the rest of other social media platforms. Explore the world of online marketing and you will have huge doors opening for you. Number 5. Graphic design. Being a graphic designer is not the same as a traditional artist. Graphic design has almost taken a life of its own, and just about any website you come across has in it the work of a graphic artist. With over 190 million websites on the web and counting, it is easy to see why this is a really profitable area to look into. There are tons of graphic design software available in the market today, as well as many hours of free online tutorial, so no one is standing in your way except you. Number 6. Foreign currency exchange trading, Forex. Understanding Forex is one thing, but once you're able to grasp it, it becomes something really huge for the individual. It is a real skill to be able to read the foreign currency exchange market, analyze the numbers, produce good speculations, and place various orders. According to the Bank for International Settlements Triennial Report of 2016, the foreign exchange market cap averaged $5.1 trillion per day. That is a lot of money changing hands on a daily basis, and you just need a little fraction of that to make it big in the Forex industry. It also requires other complementary skills like analytical skills and the ability to follow political news and business updates. This kind of skill requires a startup capital. But compared to what it used to be in the past, the bar of entry is now low. Number 7. Video game testing. Are you an avid player of the Final Fantasy games, Street Fighter, or even FIFA? Then being a video game tester could be your dream job. If you like to play video games and put hours of your day into playing a video game, you develop a skill that would allow you to understand a video game better than others. Things like the game's storyline and narrative, characters, graphic effects, play experience, technique, special tricks, and so much more. Game testing is really hard work. But video game testers make an average of about $48,000 yearly. Which is a pretty decent amount of money if it is just a side hustle and quite frankly part of your leisure and entertainment time. And there you have it. Those are some of the skills you can pounce on to start making yourself some decent amount of money. What skills do you want to develop for yourself in the near future? Let us know in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Stay energized.